So on the package number 12, you're gonna have 18 hard petals, and you're gonna have a round foam for the bottom, and you're gonna use your glue stick. So for the petals, to shape them, put 3 aside, because we're gonna shape those differently, and the rest of it, just put 3 or 4 together and make about a 1/2 inch slit in the bottom on all of those. You actually need to make a slit on these also. Okay, so now I usually like to double them up to save time when you're shaping them. So again, we're going to shape it inward from each side. So you can put it on the table and start from the middle and kind of press it down like this to shape it. Or you can just hold it and go from the side and then go this way, and this will shape exactly the same way. However you guys are comfortable doing it. Do that to all of these. You can do it one by one if you're comfortable doing it one at a time. Have about 15 hard petals shaped this way. And now for the 3 that we put aside, we're gonna roll it from one side. So put your glue stick on the edge and kind of roll it into like this. And you're gonna have this shape. Do that to the other 2, and put your glue stick on the edge and kind of roll it in. Okay, now we're ready for gluing. I like to glue these first and put them aside. So you're going to put glue on this side of the slit, just a little bit, and bring the other side on top of it, just like this, and press it down, and then with your finger roll it back in. And you're going to have something like that. Do the same thing in the other 2. Just 3. Okay, now we're gonna pick our first, pick 5 petals, and that's gonna go in the bottom. And the first 5 petals, we're gonna glue it from inside. So put a little bit glue on each side of the slit and hold it like this with your 2 fingers and press it down and bring the 2 slits on top of each other. And hold it down so it dries a little bit and kind of reshape it with your fingers. Same thing. Next to each other. The rest of it is going to be, we're going to glue it on the back of it. So put a little bit glue on each side of the slit and bring it in between the other petals, just like this. So the other ones are going to go right here too. So the next round is going to be 4 of them. So after you're done, it's gonna look like this. Now we're gonna work in the middle. So hold one of the ones that we rolled and press your thumb into this edge right here and make the bottom flat. So when you're gluing it down on a flat surface. Same thing with the next one. You're gonna press it with your thumb so we have a flat surface. And we're going to put it in a way that's under the other one and then interlock it with the first one we put. Just like this. You guys can see it. Alright, we're gonna put the last one. We're gonna do the same thing again. Press it down, make a flat surface on the bottom. And put a little glue. And press it down and lock it with the first and second petal. And you can use your glue stick to press it down here and hold it until it dries. And here's your close.